Businesses are urged to immediately upgrade to Bitcoin Cash and cease accepting Bitcoin BTC. If your business is accepting Bitcoin BTC, also referred to as Bitcoin Core, you are exposing yourself to grave security risks. Bitcoin Core is not only prone to high fees and congestion, it allows anybody to charge back their transaction hours or even days later. This practice is called double spending, and it is only possible on Bitcoin Core. Using standard off-the-shelf Bitcoin Core wallets, anybody can go into a store, purchase goods, leave, and then reliably send the funds back to themselves. Despite this massive security flaw, there are at least 200 businesses in Australia, thousands across the world, who are still accepting Bitcoin Core as a payment option. They are all at risk. Businesses still accepting Bitcoin Core are urged to immediately upgrade to Bitcoin Cash, the Bitcoin version that functions as intended as a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Bitcoin Cash is reliable, secure, and very, very fast. And most importantly, transactions are not reversible. Watch as I demonstrate how serious this Bitcoin Core security flaw is. I only use unmodified wallets in common use. Everything you see here is real and dangerously easy to execute. Please note that in every case, the funds were returned to the merchant at the end of each demonstration. For this demonstration, I opted to use the Electrum wallet for Android. All an attacker must do is set up two wallets within the app, Wallet A and Wallet B. First, a transaction must be made from Wallet A to Wallet B with Replace by Fee enabled. The fee must be manually set to 1 Satoshi per byte. You must now disable Replace by Fee in Wallet B, but the fee must still be set to 1 Satoshi per byte when performing a transaction. The business will give you the QR code to pay for the goods and services, where now you use Wallet B to perform the transaction. After making a payment, the merchant will see a tick on their end, indicating to them that you are free to take the goods and services and the transaction is complete. After leaving, you can go back to Wallet A. By bumping up the transaction fee and rebroadcasting the transaction, it will overwrite the previous transaction you did from Wallet A to Wallet B. This now means that the funds that you just sent to the merchant have disappeared back into your Wallet B. But you've still got the goods, and that means the merchant has successfully been double spent. I got the payment history up. It says here $50, 712, $50 paid. And this is the address that it was paid to. So if I copy this one, and I go to Blockchain Explorer, the balance says zero US dollars, 0 BTC. But as you can see, I took the goods and services. There's no payment there. It's that easy to do on mobile. I'll show you once again now in a controlled environment from a desktop computer. So I've set up two wallets here. I've got Wallet A and Wallet B. Wallet A has been funded. I then go into Tools, Preferences, enable Edit Fees manually, and enable Use Replace by Fee. I then send the funds from Wallet A to Wallet B. And I set the fee to 1 Satoshi per byte. The transaction has now been sent to Wallet B, and you'll see that it has the Replace by Fee flag on that. So then I come back into Preferences, turn off Replace by Fee on the Wallet B. Now, I've got the two same wallets set up on my phone here because I'll need to scan a QR code in a moment to simulate paying at the merchant. The funds are still in here. And I've got Replace by Fee switched to off. Now, this is the web-based point of sale system that the 200 at-risk merchants across Australia are using. This is a travel by bit point of sale system. I select Bitcoin. I enter the amount, let's just say $10 for the purpose of this demonstration. Now I've got the QR code. So I take my wallet on the phone here and I'll just scan that QR code. Pay. Transaction's gone through. We've got a tick here, the payment has been received. Now, I'll go back to these two wallets. So this was the one that I just sent from Wallet A to Wallet B below here. You can see my new payment to the merchant has appeared. So I just right click here, increase the fee. Let's just make it a lot higher so this one definitely gets confirmed. 30 Satoshi per byte. All right. Sign, broadcast. Payment has now been sent. If I close this down, you'll watch here in a moment, the child transaction disappears completely. So this wallet A to wallet B transaction has just been double spent, and all the child transactions from the unconfirmed parent have now disappeared. They're not in the mempool anymore. Yet on here it still says the payment has been received. So if I go into the history tab, you can see the history of transactions at this business here. So here we go, we got $10 for Bitcoin. It's saying the status is paid. It was made at 4:06 p.m., which was 2 minutes ago. Here's the address. So let's copy this address that the funds were supposedly paid to. The balance here is 0 USD, 0.0 BTC. There is nothing here. In August of 2017, Bitcoin Cash upgraded away from the Bitcoin Core roadmap precisely for the reasons outlined in this video. It no longer functions as electronic cash. The ability to reverse Bitcoin Core transactions is dangerous and akin to the practices of banks and credit card companies. Fortunately, Bitcoin Cash fixes this. Merchants are able to field a better payment experience from Bitcoin Cash, even better than that of the best fiat systems, and this is because Bitcoin Cash was designed specifically for this role. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please share it to spread awareness about the risks of accepting Bitcoin Core. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.